Find or read reviews that people are talking about. SPERTIKC Portable Washing Machine, 11 pounds Mini Small Washer Machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Suitable for various occasions. The mini washing machine is suitable for use in dormitories, families, motorhomes, or when going out. This portable laundry machine has a washing capacity of 11 pounds and a spin effect. It is suitable for cleaning all types of clothes, such as pants, socks, short sleeves, shirts, and more. Help you get the job done more efficiently. Powerful motor. SPERTIKC washer machine motor has strong power and high speed, which can efficiently clean your clothes, rotate in both positive and negative directions, avoid entanglement of your clothes, and completely remove stains. At the same time, this portable washer and dryer minimizes water and energy consumption. Excellent portability. This mini washer has a handle behind it, weighs only 13 pounds, and can be easily lifted with one hand. It is very suitable for you to carry when camping or traveling. Moreover, in some places where space is limited, this washing machine can play a unique role. Simple operation. The small washing machine portable is very easy to operate, and there are two rotating caps on the lid, which are the washing button and the drying button. Among them, the fastest washing time is only 3 minutes, and the fastest drying time is only 1 minute. Innovative design. Compared with other large clothes washer, this mini lavadora has very low noise while working. The bathtub is made of high-quality natural materials with high strength and high toughness. The humanized structure has a washboard on the inner wall, which improves the cleaning speed. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.